Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at AUD USD for the day. So before we get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe, or if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis on this price movement, right? We told you guys that we will be expecting an impulse move to take out this level. Basically we actually highlighted it, and I've given you a reason why we will be expecting such movements, right? And guess what? Price have given us that bullish move that we are all expecting. Now this price have now dropped, so we would go and analyze what this price will be moving for the next day. Now before we get started, right? Before we place any trade, one question we would want to ask ourselves is the trend for this movement or that trade you want to take. What is the trend? So we clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. We all know that markets do make three types of movements: uptrend move, downtrend move, ranging markets move. So we clearly can see on AUD USD we are on an uptrend move. So see this movement. So I want you guys to understand it. So see this as an uptrend, or impulse move. Sorry, impulse move, or higher highs. This is a new higher highs, a correction. This will be seen as a new higher highs, a correction, right? New highs that broke this previous highs. Then here comes a correction, and this is a new highs. You see that this new highs broke this previous highs, and here comes a correction. So after this correction, what do you expect? Of course, we will be expecting a new highs that will be made that will take out this highs. So if you are a position trader or a long-term trader, in the next, maybe in 2 months time, definitely this AUD USD would have make a new high. We should be watching out for, like next year, which is January, right? We should be watching out for, the that's within the month of January, February. AUD USD should have given us a new highs, thereby taking out this previous highs. That is what we will be expecting for, right? That is what we will be speculating. But we'll be able to predict this price for the next day. So the way to understand this movement, right? We have to roll down to the 4-hour time frame. Now it is at this 4-hour time frame we would apply the rules of trade what you see and not what you think. We did analysis. I told you guys that we should be expecting an impulse move to take out this level before price will drop. So it is exactly the same movement we've gotten on AUD USD. At first, AUD USD went bullish, take out this level we talked about. Now it has dropped. So where do you think it will be dropping to? So I would be watching out for this support level on AUD USD. Reason is that we will want to trade what we see and not what we think. So this is the level that I've highlighted here. One of the reasons why I've highlighted such level here is that price has once reacted to the same level, right? Price reacted to it. We saw a drop at that level. Price kind of gave us like a little bit of a blip out, but it actually reacted to the same level. And price reacted to it. We saw the same movement here. Price reacted to the same level. Now, when you come down, price reacted to the same level, right? We saw a reaction at this level, and again a reaction at this level. You can see again a reaction at this level. Now, this level that I've highlighted, which is top and bottom, we would see it as a support and resistance level. So this is why we would now apply that rules of trade what you see and not what you think. Now that this price have tapped our resistance level, you see it at first it went up to this resistance level, right? Then we saw it came down to our support level, and then again price rose up and hit our resistance level. What do we expect? We are expecting a drop again to this our support level. So this is one of the reasons why AUD USD I would be speculating a bearish move. I would want to see it actually drop to to hit this support level or close to it. It is not a must. It is not a must. I'm just letting you to know it is not a must. Price actually come to this support level before it actually start giving us that bullish move. Price can be close to it, then we would start seeing that impulse move on AUD USD. So above all, watch out for like a drop to be made. Once that drop is being made, then you can now go ahead and watch out for a setup that will be made before you can go ahead and take your buy. But if in case this AUD USD breaks out of this resistance level, then this is the level that I'll be watching out for, where this price has rejected to before, this level that price has rejected to before, right? I'll be watching it I'll be watching out for that level for AUD USD to come and tap on, to tap it, which is a level of 0.68430. But I don't think we'll be having such movements. I will be watching out for this bearish move downward. It should come to this support level or close to it before I go ahead again to take my long movement on AUD USD for the next day.